You're a crazy boy, Willie.
Maybe I wouldn't let you throw that bear around a little too much.
Ooh, sock him in the eye. Careful, easy, boy.
Oh.
Easy. 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 No face pulling.
I want to eat you.
No, I want your fingers in my mouth.
Are you getting her? Oh, good.
Well, you gotta be careful and watch that. Don't duck. Don't forget to duck when he comes over here.
And swing back with that left.
Oh, yeah.